as the next speaker, Muhammad Adnan. Please come on the podium and deliver a speech on the topic of Republic Day.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Honorable Chief Guests, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today, I am standing in front of you to deliver my speech on Republic Day. But before doing that, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Dear audience, as we all know, today we all have gathered here to celebrate the auspicious day of Republic Day. Which we also know as Ganatantra Divas, and as we all know that on this day in 1950 our full constitution came into effect, but it was adopted on 26th of November 1949 under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And we all know him as a father of Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India took around 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete it. The Constitution of India is the largest written constitution in the world. Dear audience, Republic Day celebrated in madrasa schools and colleges with great zeal and joy. Republic Day teaches us to live in unity and peace. Here I wind up my speech.